Hi, friends. Patty from Sandy Hollow Tarot and Boozy Tarot here. I thought I would do a little unboxing video because I have a new deck of cards. So I don't typically, I'm not a collector. I don't buy a lot of cards. I have about 50 decks, but I'm not a collector. I get a lot are gifted to me. Always fun to have new cards. But this one in particular caught my eye and I was like, I need to have that. So this was a Kickstarter project and it's called Tarot of the Everlasting Day. And it came in this metal container, which is pretty unique. Um, Usually they're just in cardboard boxes. So that right off the bat is pretty cool. So opening up. And here is the booklet that comes with it. So there's a brief description on each card, and then there's also a spread by the creator. The creator is Marcus Katz, and he runs a tarot page on Facebook that's very popular, Tarot Professionals, I believe it's called. I probably should have checked that out. Um, so here's the deal. This deck was created using AI. I did not know what AI was when I originally backed the Kickstarter. Had I known, I might not have because the ethics attached to that to using AI, I'm really not comfortable with because it's in general, it's as far as I know, and correct me if you know otherwise, but it's computers just like stealing art that's already created and making it into something else, and that is it's taking away from other artists. So if I have it wrong, let me know, because I would be happy to be wrong. But so that has clouded this purchase a little. However, besides that, it is a beautiful deck. So first we have the certificate of authenticity, and it has this letter and number on it, which I guess is some secret thing that's been going on with. I haven't been keeping up with the website with the launch, but I guess there's some like code that goes along with it. But I'm just going to show you the cards. Here we have the Fool, Magician, High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant. I mean, these are just they're so atmospheric. Lovers. Like you can see, I haven't done a reading with these yet, but you can see how visually they add another layer, right? Another more meaning into a reading. I love that Hermit card. Beautiful. Wheel of Destiny instead of Wheel of Fortune. That's interesting, right? Justice. Hanged Man. Death. Temperance. The Devil. Instead of just the Tower, it's the Tower of God. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Instead of Judgment, we have Final Judgment. The world. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then we get into the suits. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Whoops. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. That's an interesting take on that card, right? Even though it's pretty dark, it's a lot less miserable than the Rider-Waite Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. 10 Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Knight. Queen. And King of Pentacles. Now we'll get into the swords. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Next is the page, but I'd taken the page out, so let me see what I did with it. There it is. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. And King of Swords. Next we'll do cups. Beautiful Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four. Five. Six. I love that one. Love that. Seven. Eight. This is funny. Look at this one. Nine of Cups, our wish card. 10 of Cups. Beautiful. Page. That's a beautiful page, huh? Knight. Queen. King. And then we'll get into the aces. Ace of Wands. Into wands, I mean, not aces. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Look at this one, this page. Knight. Queen. And king. So there is the whole tarot deck. Now it also comes, so it's divided into two. It also comes with pip cards like Marseille deck. So these are pretty cool too. One coin, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Then we have blades. One blade, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have cups. One cup, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have wands. 1, 2. These are beautiful. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have, I'm just looking, then we have like these extra cards. So we have the artificial intelligence, the angel of earth, angel of air, the angel of water, the angel of fire, the great work. By our work we are changed. Initiation, the worker is hidden in the workshop. The gate, enter the order of the everlasting day. What is this? This is the tree of life, Kabbalah, the rose key, In Arcacia, we are. I'm not sure what that means. And Tarot of the Everlasting Day. So there we go. That is this new deck that I have, Tarot of the Everlasting Day. Like I said, I haven't done a reading with them yet, but they're so in depth and just multi-layered that I would imagine even just a couple of cards, you can get a pretty intense reading out of these cards. So just thought I would share that with you. And there you go.